He just wants to make friends with that little dinosaur.
He loves them. Drop him. Let's go home.
Hi.
The scenery looks like Disney movies' best friends in real life. This reminds me of the neighborhood kid who would come over every day to ask me to play. Let's hope it doesn't grab the wrong nuts when it returns. The dog's like, "Stay away from me. You're not my type, man."
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Sharing is always the key to prolonging all the relationships.
Oh, hello. What do you want? Do you want your friend to come out?
Do you want Chewie to come play?
Chewie, come, you have a friend.
Ignore the mess. Darlin and Chewbacca love hanging out.
Little man is fearing for his life, and the dog's happy because he has a friend. Deer are literally just forest dogs. Dogs are the best. They can literally make friends with every species. You definitely must do this thing with your friends in the summer, just like this dog.
This heifer done brought a dog home. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This sweet baby look like he's starving to death.
Ask the neighbor to let him come play. Dogs will be happy and tired. All animals and souls loving and playing with each other.
O cachorro não pode nem dormir mais que os urubu já pensa que tá morto. Aí o tanto esperando.
No, Winston.
What a funny story. Someone must have mistaken for the pig's father. As close as this, they probably have lived with each other for a very long time.
What you gonna do, Rosie? This butterfly is between you and bedtime. Don't eat the butterfly. Oh my god.
When you're more of a dog person, but your dog is more of a cat person. He was feeling super excited about his new sister. He made the right choice since dolphins always sense people and will keep him safe. His size is the only thing that's changed. He still thinks he's a dog. Love doesn't discriminate against any species. That man is living our dream. Is just so peaceful. The video ends here. Once again, thanks for spending time watching.